The Nature Isn't Neat project has had a busy and successful year, developing and delivering a regional pollinator-friendly approach to management of our parks, verges and amenity green spaces across Gwent.
From the first flowers blooming in early spring to the bees and butterflies of summer, nature has been flourishing in our communities.
Our code of practice is being well used by the Gwent authorities and being shared across Wales as a resource for pollinator-friendly management. We've been spreading the word and talking to you about the benefits we can make to nature through our changes.
We have targeted 5 communities across the region and provided opportunities to engage with our meadow spaces.
Look out for our mosaic sculptures developed with local communities to raise awareness of pollinator decline and how the Nature Isn't Neat approach can help tackle this.